Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync LionDesk with KW Command so that all the contacts you're entering in LionDesk can automatically get entered into KW Command. It's going to make managing those contacts a lot easier, and you can use these two apps together as one great tool. Super easy to set up. Let me show you how. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to go into KW Command, and we're going to click this little marketplace icon up here in the right hand corner. That's going to take us out to the KW marketplace, and we can search for API Nation. Here you'll see all the syncs we've created and added to the KW marketplace. I'm going to come over here to other criteria and click Command Integrated to see all the syncs we've submitted that work with KW Command. And we're going to look for LionDesk. There it is. So I'll click on that. Then you can read all about the sync here and look at some screenshots. You're going to go ahead and click the buy button up here in the top right corner and go through the buying process. Once you've purchased this integration, you can always find it in the My Apps area of the KW Marketplace, which I'm going to go to now. And you can see in the My Apps area is a tile, and you're going to want to click through that tile to set up and actually activate this sync. So right now it is not doing anything. It only exists as a purchased sync. I'm going to click through this tile so that I can actually activate it. And here we are, I'm on API Nation where I can configure and activate this sync. I'll click Connect to LionDesk. Now I'm just going to sign into my LionDesk account and allow. Alright, now we're just going to do a little bit of configuration here. Who am I going to send from LionDesk into KW Command? Do I want to send everybody? That's what we have set up right here. It's going to sync all contacts through all criteria into KW Command. That sounds like a good idea to me. But if you wanted to be a little bit more discerning, you can absolutely go ahead and only sync new or only prospecting, or you could take a different tact maybe and only sync people from a tag that you set up. Something like import. That way I know if I tag them with the import tag in LionDesk, it'll automatically import them into KW Command. I could do something like that, or like I said, we could just go with all. All right, once I've made my choice here, I can come on down here. And as these contacts are getting synced into KW Command, they are going to overwrite any of those contacts you have in KW Command with similar information. It looks at the email from LionDesk and the email from KW Command, and then it overwrites all the other information on top of that contact. If instead you would only like to fill in the blanks, just check this box. And then finally, just verify you're not using any other tools to sync contacts from LionDesk into KW Command and hit continue. All right, just a final check before we activate this sync by pushing the big button here. You can again change any of these you want before activating. You could also set up a special filter using this filter tool. For example, maybe I only want to send over people with tags that contain KW. I could do that. Maybe I have a few different tags and they all have KW Command Buyer, KW Command Seller, something like that. I could do that. Or maybe I only want to send over people whose hotness is hot. I could do that as well. I can actually combine these. So I can add a rule. Let's do tag equals KW or tag equals command. I could do that. I just want all the contacts getting synced into KW Command. Finally, I'm going to look at mapping. You got emails, first name, last name. This all looks great. If there's anything else from LionDesk you want synced over to KW Command, just click it on the left hand side and match it up with the corresponding field on the right. For example, here's zip. I want that over here. Address line 2. Absolutely. And everything else here looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and activate this sync. There we go. The sync is now active. I can go into my syncs here and look at it. If I want, maybe I want to set up a slightly similar sync with slightly different configuration. I can click this clone button and do that. And that's it. That is how you set up the sync from KW Command and LionDesk, so that all the contacts you add into LionDesk can automatically get added into KW Command. You don't have to manage it. You don't have to worry about it. If you need any assistance setting this up for you or your team, go to apination.com/KW. There you can call us, send us an email, and even set up a live session of support. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.